And you see when I come out for the live, me are dead with laugh. Me can't hold it in. You know, me fight to keep a straight face, me mama. But one thing with me can't tell lie for too long. Cause every day me say me accompany and talk. Talk, but me say me that string it out little longer. No, we can't talk about it. Good girls. You know when it sweet me? Okay, I'm telling you the full story now. So, me and Chin up on the phone, reasoning with Chin. She's up on YouTube, that's my best friend. And Marcia Campbell, she love fuck with my friend on YouTube. So I said, Chin, say fair, me fuck up the internet. And Chin I said, how you gonna fuck up the internet, Lesha? And I say, I will send them a picture of one batty wall and see how them would react. Right? And me say, and China say, you not do that. And I say, fair. So I take down about 3 batty wall off of Google in night. We idle. When me at time, I say, China, you know, so we big and idle. You see, the 3rd batty wall of that one, them said. And I show it to my mother, I show it to my husband, and I show it to Chin. And you see battle picture what they get? Them tell me not to send that one there. Can you see picture what them get? That the battle they go through serious trauma. And I say me I send it. Right? So, thank you babes. So, me block them. So, me make Chin go on Marcia Campbell page. Cause she da advertise, she da sell shit. And me add a number on WhatsApp and send it to her. Yes, when me send it to her, she da on live. And me I think say she da go get it right away, you know. Cause me I say when she get it, she must shook. She must shock. And then me get Tina Chin number off our page. I'm missing it Tina Chin too. So in night with the morning when we wake up, cheese and peas, Marcia Campbell was the first to come out. I said, oh my God, look at what Glitz and Glam Lesha sent me. I said, I nearly dead with laugh. You know what sweet me? Our Marcia say when she opened up the picture, I bet you a little greet her in her eye. Me say I laugh. All the day me drop off on my bed. Me say I laugh, and then me drop off on the bed. Me say, Marcia cuss miserable for about 3 hours upon her life a day. Miserable nearly take her. Heart attack nearly take her for 3 hours upon her life a day because of that picture. And me say, fuck them. Me say, uno no know if to stir up their head. Me say, uno no good at what you do. Me say, uno know if to stir up them head. Me say, look how me I gonna use one Google picture and stir up them head. Next thing you know, while with me and Chin the on the live, you know, Marcia come off for the live and say, I just send it to Tina Chin. And Tina Chin said she got it too. Come either wonder how she da wait so long. She said she see fear one. A day the way how Tina Chin head fuck up, I first year. From me know Tina Chin on internet, she don't come on the internet that day because we wait patiently for she come on live, you know. But the way all the pictures shook her. Tina Chin never come on that day there. Marcia Campbell cuss about it for 1 day straight. The next morning, here comes Tina Chin, she. My love. My love. The next day she come. But I ain't gonna lie. Marcia Campbell, she's a real comedian. because it fuck up for her head the most. Because it calm her down a lot. And not to mention Tina Chin, because first never see she advertise so much in a 1 week. Me feel like the picture humble she a little bit too, even though she still a talk about it. You understand? And you know what me rate about Marcia is when she come out and she say, Glitzy, me not like your glitzy. But you did something that I wanted to do a long time ago. I say I nearly dropped down in me. Oh, I laugh. Me say I laugh. But that did wear off for 2 days straight. And I was glad I gave the internet a laugh, because who never laughed did a cuss me, you know? And shout out to all of the people them that said all those nasty words about me. But what took the icing on the cake was LaDonna, Michelle LaDonna. She took the icing of the cake. Because I figured that eventually everybody knew that it was a prank. I think most people, I think 80% of the people them knew it was a prank, right? And it was dying down, right? But what took the icing on the cake was Michelle LaDonna. I think with this prank, you need to look into yourself, Michelle. I think you should look into yourself, Michelle, at this point, and figure out your purpose on social media. Figure out your place on social media and what you are doing. Because, you know, you took the icing, you took the fun out of the prank. When you inserted yourself, it was no longer funny and it was no longer a prank. Me say, every day I come off 5-4, me I dead with laugh. Prank of the fucking year. Me? Oh no, know me. Me love my pitney them world without end. My pitney them are my everything. And me a old tegarig. But certain things me would never do for jeopardize my children them. Here, would never. I'm a mom first and I'm a businesswoman second. Yeah, and it look like I'm gonna be a comedian third. But to all of you people who are talking things about me, a black on the race, a black people from left to right. Right on Google, me put in a soul. Me look like eyeglass. No, someone would I want things that me eyeglass. Well, that was eye-go. The goal of what took place was to make everybody laugh and to show you how stupid these people are on social media. Fool? Do I need to spell it out? I will still not get it. So these people are just idiots. Eh? When you think say, when you still look up to them as these bright and educated people? Come on. I'd rather be dunce. Me no want for them bright.